Hello everyone, good afternoon. How are you doing everyone? Hope you have a fantastic day. It's Bobo here and welcome back to my daily vlog. In today's video I'm gonna give you a hotel tour, and this hotel is called MERCURE Hotel, located in Sonora. Without further ado, let's go. So I'm gonna drive my scooter. This is my scooter. We'll be giving you a room hotel tour. Let's go. This is about 5 o'clock in the afternoon. The skies is so white. So the weather is not really that clear today, and this is one of the restaurants you can find here. That is the name of the restaurant. It's called Wood Fire Pizza Oven. Ari Puri Hotel. So in their street there are so many hotels and villa, and this is called Sagara Villa and Suite. This is the restaurant. Looks so nice. And there is a Hanoi Vietnam kitchen here as well. Across the street is The Pound. It's a Balinese seafood and international restaurant. Place looks so nice. And you can hire a push bike here if you want to. Sorry. Sanur Beach, Bali, Brahma. Oop. I just went to the wrong direction, so I'll have to U-turn. Apologize for that, everyone. Bella Italia. They have one here. Sudamala Suite and Villas across the street. Take a look at this flower. I like him. It's so pink. It's so pretty in my opinion. What do you think, guys? So if you guys have like very quiet place, I would advise you to stay here in Sonora. Sonora is more relaxed and chill out. Across the street there's a restaurant. And this is one more restaurant over here. Villa Hazes. To my right over there. So this street is called Balanjong Street, and I'm getting close to the hotel. This is it. This is the hotel. Welcome to the hotel, everyone. Apa kabar, Pak? Let's check out the room. And it is time to give you room tours. And this room is 226. Knock, knock, knock. Who's there? We can open the door. Okay, the door is open. Ta-da! This is the room. And to my left there's the bathroom. Let's take a walk into the bathroom. Hey, that's me. And this is the toilet. Sit-up toilet. Over there is toilet paper. And then right here in the corner is a hair dryer, I believe. There are 2 glasses. And this is a single sink. It's so pretty. It has some toilet paper here as well. And this is the trash can. And then over here there is some storage for toothpaste, shampoos, etc. Whatever you want to store over there. And this is the shower. It has rain shower divided by the glass. So I'm gonna walk out of the bathroom and I wanna share the closet. This is the closet, just the opposite of bathroom. You can find there sleeper, umbrella, some cloth hanger. And let me open this door. You can find there safety box. Let's close it again. And this is called Minibar. You can find 2 glasses of mineral water, kettle, some tea, coffee, 2 cups, trays, and over here is a tiny small fridge. And this is just a storage for your suitcase. And there is a desk here, mirror, flat screen TV mounted on the wall. And this is the same desk or the same table. Let me try to open the door. This is the door. It's still empty. I'm pretty sure you're gonna fill it up later on when you stay in here. And right there in the corner is a trash can. And this is the door to the outdoor space or a balcony. Let's take a walk to the balcony. This is the balcony. You can find there towel rack. And then right here you can find there are 2 wooden chairs and then 1 small table. And this is the views from the balcony. Looks so pretty. I can hear the birds here chirping. There are so many trees around. The place so quiet, so peaceful. It's far away from hassle and bustle. Now let's take a look again to the room. As you can see here, they have twin beds with 4 pillows, and there are lamps, small lamps on their heads, and there are 2 nightstands. Air conditioning is over there, right in the corner, and there is a storage as well. Well, everyone, this is it, my video for today. Hopefully you'll enjoy this. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and don't forget to keep smiling.